we have a very special unboxing. Hey loves, today I am back with a Coach unboxing. This is from the Powder Pink collection. This has got to be one of the cutest collections out there. They have multiple purses in this collection. They're all so beautiful. I was able to get my hands on one of them. Let me show you which one I picked out. I got the Emily handbag and she is adorable. I am obsessed with this collection. The pink is beautiful. It's that perfect shade of light baby pink with the gold hardware. Gorgeous. I love anything that's pink with gold. And I think this collection definitely is one of the most prettiest collection that they've come out with. So this one here, it's almost like a remake of a previous bag that they had, except this one has more detail. And it also comes with this beautiful flower. It is leather. So I'm loving that they included a little keychain to go with the purse. I am obsessed with her. I love the shape of this one. I don't think I have any purses that have this kind of a moon shape, and I really think it's just so pretty. Very, very girly. You can wear it as a shoulder bag and it looks so beautiful. It also comes with an additional strap to make it longer, more like a crossbody. But honestly, I think I'm just going to use it like this. I love the way it looks, like the shape, the size. It's so, so pretty. It has the Coach logo in a lighter shade of pink. And then it has the gold Coach lettering. Love the flower keychain. And then you also get the Coach hang tag. You get this beautiful gold hardware. And the inside is actually pretty spacious. So on the inside, there is the larger strap. It's pretty long, and all you have to do is attach this piece right here to this one. So we're gonna try it out just to see what it looks like. I don't think I will be styling it like that, but I do want to see how it looks. Okay, here it is with the longer strap. I actually like the fact that the strap is very versatile. It does have different little hoops, so you can definitely adjust the height of it. I don't actually hate it, to be honest. I thought I would not be a fan of it, but I actually like how it looks. So I might take that back and I might actually style it with the longer strap. The inside of the bag is all pink. It is a darker shade of pink. And there is also a little zipper compartment in here. But I really like this little bag. It's small, but you can fit a lot of things in here. So I am going to fill it up with my essentials so that way you can see for yourself what fits inside this gorgeous little bag. So this is the one that I picked out. I am so happy with it. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and you can't go wrong with Coach handbags. They're just so timeless, very beautiful. I am definitely a Coach handbag type of a girl. Since I was very, very young, I always loved the quality on these purses. I have some Coach bags that are like so many years old and the quality is still there. It never disappoints. So I hope you loved today's special unboxing. I love you all so much. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.